Good afternoon, Robert Scribbler with the OBX Wave Report. And there are definitely a lot of superlatives that can be added to the surf description for today. Beautiful. Cold, frigid water temperatures with those west winds. Glassy and varied with steep waves in some sections, slopey waves in other sections. This section that I'm filming right here looks like it really wants to barrel. Just to the north of the pier. Oh, here we go. Oh, so gorgeous. And then last of all, stormy with some rain coming down out of the skies as majestic. Another superlative. Waves march in off the North Atlantic Ocean. I am Robert Scribbler filming from the top of Jeanette's Pier at some beautiful 2 to 4 foot, maybe some 5 footers coming in on the sets. Waves here in the Outer Banks. All right, so let's get down to some of the local observations provided by wave monitors, Wave Watch 3 model data, National Weather Service, and observations provided by yours truly, your surfing bud, Robert Scribbler here, giving you the info. Okay, let's look at the local observations right now. At Jeanette's Pier in Nags Head, we've got 2 to 5 foot waves, lean conditions with an east-northeast swell coming in at 3.3 foot and 11 seconds. Charging it, dude. Yeah. Nice. And we also have some southwest winds blowing right now at 18 miles per hour. This guy's gonna take the white water all the way in. Woo! Getting into the channel here. And we got another one. Yeah, and those southwest winds are blowing pretty strong at 18 miles per hour. And we've got 51. Ooh! Oh, pearl diving there. Going over the falls. A little bit of a ride. They're more powerful than they look. One broke in front of me, and I did the duck dive thing, and it just kicked me right up over the falls. It was a bit of a roller coaster today. Got a lot of water up my nose, but still adhering to rule number 6: don't get injured. Anyways, air temperatures right now: 51 degrees Fahrenheit. Ocean water temperature is cold, 44 degrees. Very cold with those westerly winds blowing, pushing the Gulf Stream further offshore, and we're getting a combination of cold water upwelling and that Labrador sneaking in. That Labrador current has been persistently cold here in the Outer Banks this winter. Colder than normal water temperatures near shore, but much warmer than normal water temperatures just offshore once you get out to about 30 miles or so. So weird kind of inversion of water temperatures with cold water right near the coastline and then very warm water just offshore. All right, so the low tide's right about now at 1 to 2 p.m. and high tide this evening 7 to 8 p.m. Low tide tomorrow morning. I'm sorry, high tide tomorrow morning about 7:30 to 8:30, maybe even around 9 o'clock. As watch my surf catching a little mid-break section here. Woo! Getting some pump action. And okay, at Road Anthony, sorry, I'm kind of dragging it out today. Just enjoying watching these surfers trying to catch some. Went down to my little semi-secret spot and caught some good ones all by myself. All right, so down at Road Anthony, we've got 3 to 5 foot waves. Semi-clean conditions cleaning up this afternoon. Wow, that's why I'm filmed to the north here. This is so gorgeous, so picturesque. I can't believe nobody's in that section right now. Okay, let's talk about Road Anthe. Road Anthe, 3 to 5 foot, semi-clean and cleaning up with an east-northeast swell at 3.7 foot and 11 seconds. Southwest winds at 22. Air temperatures right now a little bit warmer at 54 degrees. Ocean water temperature is 48. Oh, we got somebody catching one. Here we go. Woo! On the foamy. Little drop in and a little dismount there. Ocean water temperature is 48. Even pretty cold down there in Road Anthe. Last year the coldest the water temperatures got was around 48 degrees. So this is considerably colder than last year at 44 degrees up here in Mag's Head. And at Buxton, we've got 3 to 5 foot waves. Choppy conditions. East-northeast swell coming in at 4.5 foot and 11 seconds. Southwest winds screaming 25 miles per hour. Air temperature is much warmer, 58 degrees. Ocean water temperatures also 48. And last of all, at Frisco, we've got 3 to 5 foot waves and choppy conditions. Okay, for today, we've got, depending on your location, 2 to 5 foot surf, clean north, choppy south, southwest winds 10 to 25 miles per hour, once again depending on location. Temps in the 50s to near 60s. Ocean water temps cold, 44 to 48. And clouds and rain with some stormy conditions settling in once again from the west and southwest. For tomorrow, similar conditions, 2 to 5 foot and clean to fair. Early, choppy later, cleaner to the north, choppier to the south. Larger waves to the south, smaller waves to the north. West-south winds calming down at 7 to 10 miles per hour. Temperatures in the 50s, clouds and sun. And for Sunday, woo! For Sunday, we've got some 2 to 4 foot waves and choppy conditions expected. North winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Air temperatures in the mid 40s. So much colder on Sunday, and clouds and sun expected. And then for Monday, 2 to 3 foot waves, clean conditions. Early southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour, shifting to the south later and chopping up the surf. Temperatures in the mid 50s to around 60, and sunny conditions. And last of all, on Tuesday, 1 to 2 foot waves and choppy conditions with some southwest winds and 20 miles per hour. Clouds and sun warming up. Temperatures in the 60s on Tuesday. All right. So thank you for joining me for this Friday session of the OBX wave report. Let's take a walk around and look at the waves here. I want to show you this one section to the north of the pier, which is actually looking pretty big, comparatively speaking. Nobody's surfing this stuff. I don't know why. It's beautiful over here. We are filming from the top of the pier, so the high angle of the filming device here is going to make the waves look a little bit smaller. But all right, so thank you for joining me once again for this session of the OBX wave report as some rain and clouds roll in on this Friday, February the 23rd. And we got some beautiful swells drifting in off the North Atlantic Ocean as the sets form up. And once again, I'd like to ask you guys, please do everything you can to help protect our coastlines from the impacts of climate change. The primary action that we can take is to support the mass deployment of clean energy being wind, water, solar, and electric vehicles. These are the mass deployable forms of clean energy, as well as the supporting battery infrastructure. We do need all that to tamp down those carbon emissions and prevent such impacts to our coastlines as rising sea levels, more intense storms, ocean heat waves, and ocean acidification, all of which negatively impact our coastlines. And in addition to that, we're probably also going to need to build up our coastal defenses and our coastal infrastructure to protect homes, roadways, businesses, and public facilities. All right, so thank you for joining me for this session once again. And we will be back shortly with a special edition of the OBX Wave Report, talking about what are some of the good companies right now that are helping to transition individuals to solar energy in their homes, and what are some pitfalls and scams to avoid if you're looking to individually contribute to the clean energy transition. It's also worth noting that you don't have to contribute individually. You can be part of a system of clean energy adoption by supporting organizations like the Surfrider Foundation, like 350.org, and so many others that support both the rapid deployment of clean energy and other sustainability-based actions on climate. But individual action can help as well, and we're going to talk about that in a special edition coming up over the next few days. All right, so thank you for joining me for this session of the OBX Wave Report. Once again, I hope you guys get out in the water and enjoy some good surf. If you do, please make sure that you attend to your cold weather protection. It is frigid out there, guys. 44-degree water temperatures, no joke.